Broken fiber? You don't have to replace the whole cable. Today I'll show you how to fix it with this tiny thing. A mechanical splice, 100% light pass-through. Here's what you'll need. Start by stripping the outer jacket. Set the depth to about 1 inch. Strength members plus coated fiber visible. This step is critical. Exposing the bare fiber. Take your time. Clean it. One direction only. Never go back and forth. Align the fiber with the scale on your cleaver. One clean cut. No hesitation. A good cleave is perfectly flat. Insert the fiber slowly until you feel it hit the front end. Lock the clamp. That secures the fiber in place. Finally, secure the strength members to prevent pulling stress. Quickest test: visual fault locator. Light passes through, physical connection is good. For accuracy, check with a power meter. I got low loss. Mechanical splices are great for emergencies, short runs or budget projects. For backbone lines, fusion splicing is still the better choice.